Hey, what's up, guys? Just here back with another Jeep video. I still have not been able to crank the Jeep. I still got a couple things left to do. Uh, oh yeah, like 4 or 5 things. I still need to do the coils. I still need to do oil pan for the transmission. It's leaking really, really bad, so I got to deal with that. And I need a quick release fuel line from the hard line from the Jeep to the tank, and a fuel and vent hose for the filler neck. So 4 or 5 things, whatever. And after that, I mean, that's basically it for the most part. And then it's cosmetic after that. Um, but oh, but I did not know that I could actually swap the valve cover. So this is the valve cover from the 2000, and it fit perfectly on there. So that's a plus. I swapped it over. I had found some cheap coils, but like I said, I didn't know it would swap over, so I didn't know where I was gonna mount it up or anything. So that was that. I went ahead and bought case suspension coil kit thing right here. Right here it is, case suspension. I guess I go show like a little quick unboxing. Basically bolts, cool sticker, case suspension. Probably don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. It's basically the main thing right here. It's a cool K. It'll be like that, so you'll be able to see it and everything. I'd probably paint this. I mean, it's already painted and everything, so you know it's ready to go. But I'd probably paint it a different color so it could be stand out better. See, that's pretty cool. I went with the whole kit. I mean, I already went through this. I already, checked everything out beforehand, but just showing you guys how it is, what comes with it. I went with the whole kit because I didn't want to be, oh, I need this, and where do I get this from, and stuff like that, or what spark plug wires, and so I just went ahead and got the whole thing. Here's the spark plug wires right here. I mean, they look pretty good. They look about the right size. It doesn't look like I'm gonna have to, it's gonna be a big deal or anything. Here's the wiring that comes from it. It connects to that one piece in the back that goes to the coil pack. It's basically an extension, and then this connects to the coil right here. It's still in the wrapper. Basically, what I like about this, and I think it'd be way better, obviously, first thing that's gonna be better about this is changing the spark plugs. I mean, you really don't change the spark plugs every other month or something like that, but when it comes down to it, it's gonna be super easy because literally just pull the wire and you're ready to go. Also, I think it'd be easier for diagnostics. You're missing on cylinder 2, 3, or whatever. Right here, bam, bam. None of that. You can't get to it, and none of that. So it's gonna be easier maintenance, basically. That's without a doubt. Easier maintenance. Let me just open this right quick. Oops. Okay. So here's obviously had cushion and stuff. See so it was well protected. This box came inside another box, and I mean it was wrapped up, so it was shipped really good, which is awesome. That's basically it. So it's basically this is gonna bolt up right there, like that. Well, on the other side of this, and then that's gonna bolt up to that. I'll probably do an install video and attach it to this video. That would be a whole thing. But that's about it. besides, like I said, those other few things, this is basically one of the main things. I already have everything else ordered. I did order some more stuff that I needed, but it got lost at the mailbox, and it sucks, but you know, oh well, I guess. So I had to reorder some stuff, and those won't be getting here anytime soon, that's for sure. So all I have to do right now while I wait is just go ahead and install this. Now I guess I could just show you guys right quick how to install it. Hold on. So go ahead and show you guys how to install it right quick. I already started mine. I already installed the well, sort of installed the coil pack on the harness. Also plugged up the wire to the backside back there, to where the original wiring comes out of. It's just, this is basically just an extension. So basically it'd be the same, just plug it up over there. And this would be plugged up into the coil right here. So on the instruction video that they have, obviously it bolts up right here, right? Obviously to the coolant reservoir. There's two little screws that hold it in place, right here, and then on the other side. So on mine, you can see the AC hose is literally on the, I mean, look, there's only fingers right here that could slide in there. So I'm not 100% sure if this is how this is supposed to be, or if, you know, theirs was different or mine's different or something's up. So obviously this is going to be a super tight fit for mine, because I have to literally move all this. Look, see how much it has to move, and that's not even all the room I need. I need a ton of room, but you know, luckily this is the hose part, so maybe it'll fit. Maybe we'll see right now. So I already put the bolt, washer, and then the nut in the back. I just gotta tighten those. I gotta put the two bottom ones right quick, and then I did put a little bit of the grease already. I should have waited, but I already started. So that's basically how it goes. Let me just put this camera down right here. Okay, so the size is 11. Let's go ahead and tighten these. I'm just putting them snug, like a little bit past snug, because you know, I don't want to crack it or break it or anything. It probably wouldn't crack that easy, but you know, better safe than sorry. Put the washer, slides right in, and then the nut. Okay, here's the other one. Put that away. Where's the washer? Right here. And then, so yeah, so like I said, I'm just snugging them, just a little past snug, because I don't want to crack it or bend it or anything, because I mean, you know, that's pretty snug. Do this one. Yeah, it's not gonna go nowhere. That's good. Okay, so this side points to the firewall, obviously, because that's where it's gonna plug up and stuff. And it goes like this. From bottom to top, 1, 2, 3. The other side, 4, 5, 6. That's the order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Later on I am gonna put like the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. That way, you know, if I ever forget or for whatever reason, I'll know. Or, you know, if I sell it or something, they'll know. That way there won't be any confusion or whatever. Let me move this over here. Oops. Sorry about the wind. It's already getting kind of windy. So like I said, I already have it on the bracket, right? I already took the bolts, 8mm on the side. That's there. And like there's literally no room. So I don't know if it's my year Jeep. It's 2000, and I mean this is meant for the 2000 and up. So you know, maybe this is a different line or something. You know, I don't know. But I need it to turn it on, so I'm gonna have to force this in here. And I mean, I don't know if you can see over here how much is bending it. I really don't mind because it's just a bracket holding this. But it also has the other line attached to it. And that one's bending too. So, I don't know. It's not going. Come on. Okay. So, if you have a line like this, probably think about it first. Ow. Alright. I probably don't even need the little screws to hold it in place. That thing is, I mean, it's not going nowhere. It is really bending that, but we'll see. It looks pretty cool though. I mean, you can see the K or not. Probably not. It's really dark right there, but it's really tight right here. So all I gotta do is put the bolts, and then, well, let me go ahead and plug this. Well, I'll screw it in first, and then plug it in. I am gonna message them just to see what they say about it. Maybe I ordered. I don't think there was any different size years or whatever. Besides, it just said 2000 to 2001, or I'm not sure, but it said it was gonna fit. So, and I mean it does fit, barely. It's a really tight fit, and it still has to go up some. Oh, there we go. Maybe after a while it will bend to it, which, I mean, obviously I wouldn't want it to be like that, but it's kind of hard to put the screws in because you can see the washer's like a little bowl, so when you put the socket on top, it's not really grabbing anything. That's why it's taking longer than it's supposed to. But it's going. Yeah, I think you have to put these bolts back in first, because if you don't put these little 8mm back, you'll be in the way. The plug will be in the way, and that is tight and snug. All right, so now I already have the plug right here. The thing is open, and it has weight. You mean this cable's longer than it should be. That way you can, you know, move it through here, move it through there, whatever you want to do. There we go. Push the little down. It's locked. It's ready to go. It's not going nowhere. Neither is this. Like I said, it's basically what's pushing that really far. And you got the other hard line right here. So hopefully that, you know, doesn't do anything. Or maybe I could find the one like the one they got. It basically goes like this, and then it goes straight this way. So that's why they have so much room right there. And like I said, from bottom, top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The wires are different length, obviously. So I guess basically just plug and check until you figure out which one's what, which one's the right size for what, because each one of them is different size, obviously. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm assuming that the longest one would be for the furthest, but not really, because I guess that this whole side is for 4, 5, 6. This side's for 3, 2, 1. So it'll just probably be like whatever you figure out. But that's basically it. That's the main piece of the install. Oh, the light, I don't have no more light, but you can see it's there. There's the little K. It's holding pretty good. It's not gonna go anywhere for sure. Here's some light. And you got access. I mean, it'll be super easy, and it'll be easy for anything. Inspection, change the. I mean, you see, spark plugs. You want to change the spark plugs? Easy. All right, so I am done. That's basically it right there. It's all installed. I already put the wiring or the wires. They're all too long for each other, so I guess it really doesn't matter. You can route them wherever you want and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and try to find smaller wires, but these are good. I mean, they come in. You can go through this line, that line. I mean, here's number 1 all the way up here. I'm gonna switch it over with another one because it's too short to go to the bottom, but it was too long to, not go through here. I don't know, but yeah. But I'm still a little iffy on the AC line. It's super bent. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it. Probably try to look into something. But as you can see right there, it has the 2 and 1. So I'll probably have to change both of them. And that one goes somewhere down here. Oh, right here. Right there. So that's that. But I guess for now that's it. As long as it turns on and it runs, I'm good with that for now. Because I don't even know if the AC works. But thanks for watching. If you guys got any suggestions for that AC line, let me know in the comments. I greatly appreciate it. That way I can try to figure out something while I'm messing with something else. And peace out. Stay tuned for the next video.